Go equals.
Ići.
English Croatian Quick Guide. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language buddy. For more resources, hop to www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to move? Let's go. Today you'll nail the Croatian verb, go,
Ići.
and its most useful forms.
Idem. Ti ideš. Ona ide. Mi idemo. Idete. Oni idu.
Plus, the honest mood answer.
Tako.
Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say who goes where, without overthinking. Infinitive. To go equals.
Ići.
I go equals.
Idem.
You, singular, go equals.
Ti ideš.
She goes equals.
Ona ide.
We go equals.
Mi idemo.
You, plural, go equals.
Idete.
They go equals.
Oni idu.
Feeling, so equals.
Tako.
Rhythm warm-up. Tap your desk and speak with me. Rhythm helps memory stick. Beat 1 to 2.
Ići.
Go.
Idem. Ti ideš. Ona ide.
Step.
Mi idemo. Idete. Oni idu.
March it out. Mood check.
Tako.
Shrug it out. Mini dialogue, short and funny. Listen once, then echo the bold Croatian words out loud. A. How are you today? B. Honestly?
Tako.
Coffee is late. A. No worries, I go now.
Idem.
To the cafe. B. Great, you go?
Ti ideš.
Bring me a pastry. A. She goes too.
Ona ide.
To grab a table. B. Perfect, we go together.
Mi idemo.
After this email. A. Team upstairs, you all go?
Idete.
Don't forget wallets. B. Look, the others are moving, they go now.
Oni idu.
Forms in action. Say each sentence out loud. I'll leave a pause for you to repeat. To go is.
Ići.
I go to the shop.
Idem.
You duken. You go by bus.
Ti ideš.
Autobusum. She goes home.
Ona ide.
Kući. We go together.
Mi idemo.
Zajedno. You, plural, go left.
Idete.
Lijevo. They go to the park.
Oni idu.
You park. Culture tip. The power of idemo. In Croatia, you'll hear a rallying cry that's perfect for motivation. People cheer with.
Idemo.
Like, let's go. It's tied to the verb.
Ići.
Use it before a game, a workout, or when the coffee machine finally works. Try it now.
Idemo.
Speed drill. Quick call and response. I prompt in English, you shout the Croatian. Infinitive. To go?
Ići.
I go?
Idem.
You, singular, go?
Ti ideš.
She goes?
Ona ide.
We go?
Mi idemo.
You, plural, go?
Idete.
They go?
Oni idu.
So?
Tako.
Mini quiz. No pressure, just quick wins. Answer out loud. Q1. Translate, we go.
My idemo.
Q2. Translate, they go.
Oni idu.
Q3. Translate, you, plural, go.
Idete.
Q4. Translate, I go.
Idem.
Q5. Mood word for, so.
Tako.
Challenge. Say it your way. Personalize it, make the verb yours. Say a true sentence about your day using one form of go, for example, after work.
Idem.
Na trening. Now swap the subject. Make it, we.
My idemo.
Na trening. Last one. Make it about your friends.
Oni idu.
Na trening. Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. Nice work, your Croatian is moving. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Ići.
With forms like
Idem. Ti ideš. Ona ide. Mi idemo. Idete. Oni idu.
and be honest with.
Tako.
When needed. For more bite-sized lessons, exercises, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and, of course,
Idemo.